Hello everyone, I hope you all are happy and healthy. Welcome to our session where we learn something useful and interesting. Today, we will delve into the topic of the safety committee. As we know, there are many terms in the field of industrial safety, and one of them is the safety committee. So, let's begin our journey to learn about the safety committee. Now, we are examining the necessity of a safety committee. We will discuss who the members of this committee are, the tenure of the committee, and the frequency of the meetings. Also, we will explore what records should be maintained after each committee meeting. As per the Factory Act of 1948, Section 41G, it is mandated that every factory where a hazardous process takes place, or where hazardous substances are used or handled, must set up a safety committee. This committee is not just a regulatory requirement, but a testament to our commitment towards the safety and well-being of our employees. The state government, guided by the Factory Act 1948, has made rules to implement this committee. As per Factory Act 1948, the safety committee consisting of equal number of representatives of workers and management. Now, we are in accordance with the Gujarat Factory Rules of 1963, Rule number 68F. Every factory where 250 or more workers are ordinarily employed is required to have a safety committee. Let's delve into the formation of this committee. The safety committee consists of a senior official who, by his position in the organization, can contribute effectively to the functioning of the committee. This individual shall serve as the chairman. The committee will also include a safety officer and a factory medical officer, wherever available. In such a case, the safety officer shall be the secretary of the committee. The committee will also have a representative each from the production, maintenance, and purchase departments. Safety committee also consists of the workers' representatives, shall be elected by the workers. The tenure of the committee shall be 2 years, providing ample time for the committee to understand the safety needs of the organization and implement necessary measures. The safety committee shall meet as often as necessary, but at least once in every quarter. This ensures regular monitoring and evaluation of safety practices. The minutes of these meetings shall be recorded, maintaining transparency and accountability. Now, we will learn the rights, functions and duties of the Safety Committee. Rights of the Safety Committee. Safety Committee shall have the right to be adequately and suitably informed of: first, potential safety and health hazards of which the workers may be exposed at workplace. Second, data on accidents as well as data resulting from surveillance of the working environment and the health of workers exposed to substances. So far as the factory is concerned, provided that the committee undertakes to use the data on a confidential basis and solely to provide guidance and devise measures to improve the working environment and the health and safety of the workers. Functions and duties of the Safety Committee. First, assisting and cooperating with the management in achieving the aims and objectives outlined in the health and safety policy of the occupier. Second, dealing with all matters concerning health, safety and environment and to arrive at practicable solutions to problems encountered. Third, creating safety awareness amongst all workers. Fourth, undertaking educational, training and promotional activities. Fifth, discussing reports on safety, environmental health surveys, safety audits, risk assessment, emergency and disaster management points and implementation of the recommendations made in the reports. Sixth, carrying out health and safety surveys and identifying causes of accidents. Seventh, looking into any complaint made on the likelihood of an imminent danger to the safety and health of the workers and suggesting corrective measures. 8th, implementation of the recommendations by it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for our next video. And until then, be safe, be happy and take care.